Greetings, boys and girls. The objective of this little recording is to show off this HP 3581A wave analyzer. Beautiful little instrument. This one is in very nice condition, mechanically, electrically, cosmetically, and every other way, shape, and form. We will start on the volt scale, and we will go to the calibrate position. And the calibration is 1 volt at 10 kilohertz. You can see the readout of 10 kilohertz. And as we vary the tuning here, we can see the needle move, but it's at 1 volt. That's our calibration signal, internal. Now I'll go back to the input from the banana jacks here, and we'll go to the 1 volt scale. And I'm going to tune this down now to 2 kilohertz. Why 2 kilohertz? Because I have a signal coming in at 2 kilohertz at 1 volt. Now, how do I know it's 1 volt? Well, trust but verify. Over here we have an HP 3578A. It's very hard to read. We'll try and light it up a little bit. And it's reading 0.99926 volts. Close enough to 1 for me. Now we'll go back to the instrument. Okay. This guy has selectable bandwidths from 300 hertz down to 3 hertz. Pretty impressive. You can see that it tunes very smoothly here. We're on the 100 hertz range. Let's go down to the 30 hertz range, the 10 hertz range. Do a little retuning on the 10 hertz range. It's narrow. And the 3 hertz range. And tune that again. Okay, so we see 3, 10, 30, 100, and reading the 1 volt. It also has automatic frequency control, which tracks the input frequency, so we'll turn that on. And rather than changing the source frequency, I'll simply change the frequency tuning here. And as you can see, as I tune, it doesn't change the readout because it's locked. If I take it out of lock, whoop, we've lost the signal. Why? Well, we're off the frequency. Now I'm manually putting it back on. Okay, so this also can be a sweeping analyzer, and it has ranges of span up to 50 kilohertz. This knob does tend to affect sometimes the fine tuning here, so you may have to readjust this on really narrow measurement ranges, but no big deal. It has adjustable sweep time and different sweep modes. Now that's volts. Let's go to the 90 dB scale. Now this is logarithmic decibels, and as you can see it's reading 0 dB. Let's go to 4 kilohertz, which is the second harmonic of this signal. And as you can see, there's nothing there. It's about minus 90 dB. Let's go to 6. That's the third harmonic. And again, nothing there. Clean source. Very clean source. For drill, we'll go to 8. I'm always surprised when I go off into the weeds here. Again, nothing there. Back to 2. Okay. This is on now the 90 dB scale, the 1 volt scale, and the 10 dB scale. And as you can see, they all read 0 dB full scale on the dB or the 1 volt. So it's a very nice instrument and in very good condition. So with that, I think we'll shut her down and call it quits. Over and out.